Lot to dig into today. We're going to start with a little bit of national weather. We're going to take you down to a live shot from Naples, Florida, where Tropical Storm Eta is starting to make another landfall. It has been across the Yucatan. It went across Cuba. It hit the Florida Keys. And now it's hitting western Florida. It is on track to continue to move through central and northern Florida into southern Georgia, then back out to sea, where ultimately it will start to weaken. And again, we talked about this yesterday, where we have Tropical Storm Theta, the record-breaking 29th named storm. And again, 12 U.S. landfalls this year. And there's another system I've got my eye on that could make this the 30th named storm. So we're watching that as well. Be on KSBY, your photos today. Here's a view from Neil Walker. Really nice shot of the lake. That looks fantastic. Thank you, everybody, for continuing to post your pictures. Mark Ray, a regular contributor, capturing a little bit of that halo around the sun today. We had high clouds. They have ice crystals. It refracts out the light, and you get those kind of views. And Cecil Horton also capturing what happens when you get those ice crystals in the upper atmosphere. Great stuff, everybody. Can't wait to see new pictures. Get over to my social media and start posting right now. 54 in San Luis and Santa Maria, 58 in Santa Barbara, 60 in Paso Robles. By the way, 7-day forecast at the bottom of your screen, hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, and more available on our KSBY weather app. There you can see that temperatures are on either side of where we were sitting yesterday. No dramatic changes. The onshore breeze right now. We'll get a little bit of weak offshore again tonight. It was another cold start. Paso Robles 29, Santa Ynez 30, 33 in Lompoc. These were slightly warmer than where we were sitting yesterday morning. And highs today still recovered nicely. 68 in San Luis Obispo, 63 Lompoc, Paso Robles 65, even though it was pretty cold to start. Now, all of this high cloud cover moving into the area. There's a little frontal system out here as well. This is going to drop to the south, not going to give us rain, but the high clouds likely hold the overnight lows up a bit. When we look up here, there's another system that slings a front through here, likely later Friday night into Saturday. I just think the air's too dry for real rainfall here. So again, we get a little bit of offshore flow overnight and early tomorrow. Otherwise, we're just going to see partly cloudy skies with some high clouds filtering the sunshine. Here's that frontal passage early Saturday morning. Not particularly strong, but again, once it departs, skies clear, weekend looks pretty good. And our modeling is not big on its opportunities to produce rainfall, at least in our area, maybe up in Monterey County, a few drops. And again, there you can see the front barely nipping us. Big forecast change, though, in the extended, and that is this large storm out here likely tracks to the north next week. We were hoping it would dig into here and give us some rainfall opportunities, but most major models agree it's more likely a miss than a hit. 64 Santa Maria, 68 in Paso Robles. Santa Ynez Valley temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. The beaches in the low 60s. Again, kind of a coolish day, but if you've been looking at that ticker, you note that early next week temperatures really pop. So over the weekend back into the 70s with 80-degree potential in much of the area as we get into Monday. And again, the big headline in the forecast is that potential change to a rainy pattern next week definitely in doubt now. Richard, back to you.